Hello students, Mr. Bastias here. Welcome to Unit 5, Week 1, Day 3. Make sure you have your Meaningmapper, article a day, your book of knowledge, and paper and pencil to write with. Today we will learn about plants and animals found in the Himalayas, mountains in southern Asia. Let's get started. Let's think of our focus word, nature. There are many places that animals, plants, and other organisms call home. It's their natural habitat. I want you to look at the image and think of 6 words that describe what you observe. Use our focus word nature when describing what you notice. Take a moment to do this now. These are the 6 words that describe the natural habitats on the left. I picked hot, dry, and sunny for the first one, and then green, calm, and rainy for the second one. I know we don't see any rain, but the grass is so green I can infer that it rains there. Let's dive into our article a day, wild things. Can you name any of the animals in this picture? I see a bear, a leopard, but I'm not sure about the other animals. Scientists discover hundreds of plants and animals in Asia. Talk about hide and seek. Scientists in Asia recently discovered more than 350 plant and animal species. The species were found in the Himalayas. Those are mountains in southern Asia. So this is southern Asia, and this part is called the Himalayas. It is a chain of huge mountains, including Mount Everest. I bet you've heard of it. Let's read about all these species that the scientists found. One of the species has researchers hopping for joy. It is a flying frog. The bright green animal was found in India. It uses its long, webbed feet to glide or float through the air. This is the flying frog, and you see its feet have webbings that help it fly through the air. Another discovery is the leaf deer. It is the world's smallest deer. It's only about 25 to 30 inches tall. Researchers found the animal in the nearby country of Myanmar. When you swim at a nearby pool, you swim at a pool that is not far away. In Spanish, we say cercano. So nearby means something that is not very far away. Look at the leaf deer. It is so tiny. It is the smallest deer in the whole world. The scientists made the discoveries from 1998 to 2008. Besides India and Myanmar, they looked in regions of 3 other countries. A region is an area. A region is a large area of land or space. Sometimes a region is one part of a country. In Spanish, we say región. Those countries are Bhutan, China, and Nepal. Those are the countries where scientists looked for new species of animals and plants. The researchers uncovered flowers and a snake. They also found a monkey. It is the first new type of monkey to be discovered in more than 100 years. Can you imagine discovering a new species of animal? Very interesting. Experts are excited about the discoveries, but they are also worried. The species' habitat or home is in trouble. The definition of a species is a group of animals, plants, or other living things that all share common characteristics. Loggers are cutting down trees in the Himalayas. A logger is a person whose job involves cutting down trees. This is a logger because he is cutting down trees. To protect the mountains, nature groups are asking countries to guard the land from people trying to destroy it. In the meantime, scientists are continuing to search the Himalayas for more plants and animals. There will be close to 3,000 to 5,000 species that could be discovered over the next 5 years, says wildlife expert Bitu Sagal. Spot the species. Here's a look at some of the plants and animals that caught scientists' attention while they were studying the Himalayas. Meet Bambi's mini-me. The leaf deer is less than 3 feet tall. At about 25 pounds, the deer weighs as much as a medium-sized dog. Imagine seeing a deer that is the size of a medium dog. Talk about flower power. The blue diamond impatiens change color depending on the weather. When temperatures rise, this blue flower turns purple. Wow. The blue diamond impatiens, it is usually blue, but when the temperature rises or it gets hotter, it turns purple. Interesting. Don't let its name fool you. The orange spotted snakehead is actually a fish. The colorful creature lives in ponds and swamps. Please take out your book of knowledge. Write down 2 or 3 things you learned from the article and would like to remember. Pause the video and do this now. I'm going to go back to the article and find information that I can write down in my book of knowledge. The first thing I learned is that the flying frog uses its webbed feet to glide through the air. I'm going to write that down. I learned that the flying frog uses its webbed feet to glide or fly through the air. I also learned that blue diamond impatiens change color depending on the weather. I'm going to write that down as well. I also learned that blue diamond impatiens change color depending on the weather. This makes me think of the botanical gardens in the Bronx because of all the different plants. So this makes me think of the different plants. Take out your Meaningmapper. In the middle of our Meaningmapper, we have our focus word nature, which is everything not made by humans and part of the natural world. We already added colors, life, and habitat. But what else could you add to your Meaningmapper? I added the word wild, because things in nature can be very wild, such as all the new animals we read about. And that's it for me, students. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.